Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Put on gloves and gather white vinegar, baking soda, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. Rinse the stainless piece with warm water to remove loose dirt. This prevents scratching. Spray or dab white vinegar directly onto the yellowed area and let it sit for about 5–10 minutes because the acetic acid dissolves mineral and protein residues. Once done, blot excess vinegar with a cloth. You want the surface damp, not dripping, before moving to the next step. You now make a gentle abrasive paste by mixing about 1 part vinegar with 2 parts baking soda until it's spreadable. This neutralizes residues while providing mechanical lift. Apply the paste to the stain and scrub lightly following the metal grain. Scrubbing across the grain risks visible scratches. Use a soft brush or non-scratch pad for flat areas and a toothbrush for seams and corners to dislodge trapped grime. If you see lifting, continue. If not, let the paste sit a few more minutes and re-scrub. You finish by thoroughly rinsing all residues with warm water and drying immediately using a microfiber cloth. This prevents new water stains. Next, apply a small amount of olive oil or commercial stainless polish and buff with a dry cloth to restore shine and reduce future staining. If yellowing persists, test a diluted hydrogen peroxide solution in a hidden spot. Let it sit briefly. Because it can remove organic stains, make sure to avoid bleach, which can worsen discoloration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.